Designing thumbnails, people overcomplicate it so much, and I hate it.
Right.
Every time, this is the most frustrating thing I hate about being a coach, is that people overcomplicate things.
Right.
Just take an image that you think fits nice to your video and give it a little twist.
Yeah.
Give it a little opinion. The cop video is literally just an image of a blue cloud with a little bit of American thing blend in. It's made in Canva.
Yeah.
We made it in 3 minutes. The thumbnail artist that we have for that, it barely even charges for it because it's not an effort.
Yeah.
Then you just make a screenshot. You put it on the left. You write text. I like using toys. Done.
Yeah.
But what
Canva,
about,
black border around it. That's it.
It sounds like what the idea is much more important than the actual, like,
Yeah.
you know, how complicated
No,
the design
not even the
is.
idea, the topic.
and the title, I think, right?
The title is what makes it controversial, or the title is what reinstates what's being shown on the thumbnail.
Complements it.
Complements it, or reinstates.
So could you maybe explain like what's the process you're following? So you first make the thumbnail, then the title, and then you look like
No,
at the actual
we first
video.
make the title, then the thumbnail. Because the title should reinstate the thumbnail.
Yeah.
So we're like, hey, listen, okay, so for the thumbnail, pick a topic. I'll describe how I make a thumbnail. Any topic.
Yeah. I don't know. Space.
Space. Okay, so you have space. So let's say you have space and Elon Musk about SpaceX. So what you can do is always show people on the left side. Why? Well, how do you read? You leave from left to right. Everywhere besides the United Arab Emirates. We're recording this. We're reading left to right, not right to left. So if you read left to right, that's also how you scan on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you're going to scan. Okay, so left, you have the person. That's right. All those Elon Musk channels have Elon Musk on the left side. So you have Elon Musk on the left side. Then you have the bases of the space rocket that are clearly visible. And then you have SpaceX. And then you have the very big rocket. And then you already have a perfect thumbnail. There you go.
Yeah.
And then you could add text, not even necessarily needed, as long as you clearly show what the topic's going to be about. But if it's going to be how does it look from the inside, you can have like a little square that zooms out to a bigger square where you show a little bit of the preview.
Yeah.
And it makes people click like that. And there you go.
Yeah.
Sounds easy.
Sounds simple.
I've tried it for a year.
It is simple, but the thing is you need to understand what makes people click.
Yeah.
And that's why I would also recommend, if people are very serious, go to VidSummit.
Yeah.
Because VidSummit really has high quality, interesting people. I was not as good in thumbnails until I went to VidSummit. And that's when it really started popping for me. Like we did more than a 3x in a year time.
So you went there and then it clicked, or you learned something, or like...
Yeah, well, it was to do with color contrast and the simplification of thumbnails. So just making things very simple, very easy to understand. And also that making things more cartoonish
Okay.
also works really well on YouTube.
You mean like Sunny V2 does? I don't know if you know him.
Yeah, as an example.
Like that.
That's a perfect example. Sunny V2 does that very well.